Children's Museum. Today I am going to read you a book about turtles. Turtle Splash, Countdown at the Pond by Cathryn Edwell. 10 timid turtles lounging in a line. Startled by a bullfrog. Then there are 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Now there are 8 lazy turtles resting without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. 7 still are there. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Now there are 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their log. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by, leaving only 3 carefree turtles beneath the sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. Then there are 2 silent turtles watch the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Now there's only one lonely turtle in the fading light. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.